The second first impression. You'll see how one quiet man turned the labels shoved on him inside out. Storyteller My Ortiz. Come sit for 5 minutes. This is about the day Marcus stopped letting the room write his story for him. Marcus Lim repaired phones in the back of a cramped mall kiosk in Fremont. Every morning, he slid open the metal grate. Every night, he counted the same crumpled dollars. His cousins called him the fix-it ghost. No one saw him unless a screen cracked. He wore the uniform everyone expected. Faded polo, bulk store jeans, shoulders folded inward like a busted umbrella. When customers asked for his name, they still said, "Thank you, man." He answered with the same soft voice he'd used since middle school. One Thursday, a sleek woman in a navy suit slid her gold iPhone across the mat. She needed the photos. The screen was spiderwebbed. She was launching a startup in 48 hours. She said, "If you save them, I'll pay double, mister." Marcus swallowed and said, "Just Marcus." She smiled like people do at shy kids and walked off. That night, Marcus sat in his studio flat. The woman's confident stride replayed on loop. He opened his cracked laptop, typed how to be memorable. Read, people treat you the way you present yourself. He exhaled slowly. Something stubborn woke up. He took the $400 rush fee. Bought a deep gray blazer on clearance. Had the sleeves shortened. Slept 3 hours. Pronounced his own name aloud until it sounded firm. Wrote 3 possible introductions on a sticky note. Stuck it to the mirror. Friday morning, he arrived early. Standing straight in the new coat. He greeted mall walkers with a calm, "Good morning. I'm Marcus from Quick Fix." Most nodded, surprised into answering. By noon, a teen asked, "You redesign phones too?" Marcus said, "I redesign possibilities." The kid grinned. Word moved faster than Marcus expected. Week 2, he swapped the kiosk poster. Hand-lettered sign read, "Recovery Reinvention Results." Customers started requesting him by name. A retired teacher brought her laptop and a coffee just to chat. She said, "You seem different, lighter." Marcus smiled. Same wiring, new case. By the first month, he closed at 7 instead of 9. Evenings, he studied online marketing. He practiced a short talk, from repair to rebrand. He booked a free slot at the library auditorium. 5 strangers showed. He spoke without notes. They listened. On stage, Marcus felt sweat but kept his voice steady. He told the cracked phone story. People related. Afterwards, a local paper reporter asked for an interview. Headline, "Phone Whisperer Turns Life Around." Marcus nearly laughed at the nickname. But the article brought real traffic. 3 months later, the woman in Navy returned. She barely recognized the confident man in the fitted jacket. "Looks like you upgraded yourself." Marcus met her eyes. Version 2.0. She hired him to coach her nervous interns on presentation skills. Paid triple kiosk rates. 1 year in, Marcus leased a tiny storefront. Painted the walls matte black. Installed warm lights. He opened a Saturday class, Speak Up, Stand Out. Students ranged from shy teens to laid-off sales reps. He taught simple rules. Owned your name. Tell your story first. Dress the future you want. By year 3, the kiosk felt like archaeology. Marcus now keynoted at community colleges. He no longer apologized for pauses. He let silence work for him. Cousins still called him Fix-It Ghost. But the joke had flipped. They asked him to speak at reunions. At a downtown mixer, a venture capitalist asked, "Where did you go to business school?" Marcus sipped water. Hard Knocks University, major in self-reinvention. The man laughed. Wrote a check. Marcus launched a microfund for immigrant entrepreneurs. He branded it Second First Impression. Last month, he flew back to the old mall. The new kiosk guy looked overwhelmed. Marcus leaned in. "Remember, you're not fixing phones. You're rewriting someone's day." The kid blinked, stood a little straighter. Marcus walked on, coat flapping like a banner he once never thought he could carry. Summary: Marcus proved we can reject the labels handed to us. By reshaping how he showed up, he rewrote what others believed possible. Your first role is not your final fate. Start small. Speak your name like it matters, because it does. Keep crafting the version you choose until the world reads the updated file.